Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at repairing this LED smart television. So I was having some issues with display, so my screen went black, and the only way I could actually get an image was to actually shine a light on the screen itself. So right then and there, I already knew it was some issue with the LED backlight. So this video wasn't really planned, it was just, since I'm going to do this repair, let's just video something for the Christmas. But yeah, so it's not really one of my conventional videos, but it's just something to share with you guys, just in case anyone is facing the same problem or anyone in the future. So yeah, let's get into it. So what you're now seeing is the LED backlight strip for the television, and this is the good one. I've already found the problem and it's on another board. But for this strip, it has 6 LEDs, and on this one, as you can see, everything is burnt. Majority of the LEDs are burnt, and yeah, everything seems pretty burnt at this point. There's only one good LED, which is this one right here. So I'm thinking that I should replace everything on this strip, just as a precaution. So, as you can see, they're pretty burnt, and I might replace this board later on in the future, but since it's the holidays, I'll just do the repair. And here we have our voltage injection tool, which I made in a previous video. If you guys haven't seen that, you guys can check that video out. So I'll be using this to set our test voltage, to test our LEDs, to see if everything is working properly before installing them back into the television. And as shown here, we have our voltage set to 17.3 volts, a little bit under the 18 volts, just as a safety precaution. And as you can see, this one lights perfectly. So this is the good LED board, and it works perfectly. Next we'll be testing the burnt one, and placing them, but just going to do a quick test and see how badly they are burnt. We have only a few LEDs being lit, and they're quite dim, so yeah, I will have to replace everything. And it's very burnt. Unfortunately, I don't have a preheater, so I'll be using my soldering iron. And guys, I'd recommend using a preheater for doing any LED repair, just as future reference. This took a very long time to actually get melted, so just a precaution. So I'm applying some flux to the LED. And just trying to see if we can remove these burnt LEDs. I won't be showing all of them due to how long it took, so I'll be skipping this a bit. I'll just be showing the only one, I would say. So this took some time and patience to actually get heated, and as you can see, they're all gone. So next I'll be replacing them with some new LEDs which I bought on Amazon. And just as another precaution, guys, if you're going to do any repair like this, please get the exact model of your LED. If you don't have the correct model of your LED, you will run into problems with difference in brightness. But normally I'd recommend replacing the entire strip. But since this is Christmas and getting the correct board for this model television would have been very long, I just went with the easier option of just replacing the LED. So now that I've sorted everything, we're giving this a test, and it's all working. And if you pay close attention to the voltage injection tool, I set the voltage at 16 volts. Didn't want to run the risk of burning the LEDs, even though they're rated at 12 volts, but just 16 volt as a safe zone for testing. And now I'll be adding these diffusers back onto the LED strip. And now moving on to the reassembly. I must apologize for this, guys. My workspace is a bit limited, so I couldn't give you the full entire view of the reassembly, so please bear with me with that. So this video is for those who are experiencing a black screen on their television set, but still hearing TV in the background. So there is a chance that your backlight board is gone. So this is the fix. And now that we have this TV back together, this is what it looks like. I'm seeing some areas that are a bit bright, but I know it's due to the diffusers not being glued on properly. But that's it, guys. So if you're experiencing a similar issue, that's the fix. And I'm wishing you guys a happy holiday, and see you guys in the new year. That's it for this video, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe for more.